Good morning, students. Welcome to today class. Today we will discuss skills of blackboard writing and its components. First, we will discuss learning objective of our this lecture. To understand the meaning of micro teaching, to acknowledge the importance of skills of blackboard writing and its component, to identify the goal and objective of skills of blackboard writing and its components, a student will be able to analyze and understand the scales of blackboard writing and its components. First, we will discuss what is teaching. The best approach to understand the nature of the teaching is establish a harmonious relationship between teacher, student, and subject. Teaching is the activity of facilitating learning. Effectiveness in teaching does not relate to the teacher's age, sex, and teaching experience. It is, it is, it's about motivating a student to learn, which should be done in a manner that is relevant, uh, meaningful, and memorable. It's about caring for your craft skill, having patience for it, and conveying that the patient to everyone. Most importantly, to your student. Good teaching also about bridging the gap between theory and practical. It's about emerging oneself in the field and taking to consulting uh, with an assisting participationer and uh, lessons with their communities. Do not criticize students and lose their face. It is humble, fair, uses variety of learning activity. As since a humor does not teach from the a sitting or learning position, good interpersonal relationship with the student. Employ an effective delivery method. Keep accurate record of work completed, attendance, test result, and student grades. What is learning and how learning happens? Learning, knowledge acquiring by student. Learning happens and knowledge is generated. There is a famous saying, I hear, I forget, I see, I remember, I do, I understand. How learning happens? We remember only 20% of what we hear. We remember 30% of what we see. We remember 50% of what we see and what we hear. We remember 90% of what we see and what we hear and do. It means we are using our maximum senses in learning. This is a chart uh, uh, that's showing the uh, how learning happens. So when we using the see, hear, and do senses, the learning should be 90%. Micro teaching. Dr. Allen has his group evolved micro teaching in 1963 in America. Micro teaching is a technique aiming to prepare teacher candidate to the real classroom setting, according to Brent and Thompson 1996. Micro teaching can also defined as a teaching technique especially used in teacher pre-service education to train them systematically by allowing them to experiment main teacher behavior. By the help of this technique, teacher candidate can experiment and learn each of the teaching skills by breaking them into smaller parts and without encountering chaotic environment of the crowded classes. In 1963, micro-teaching has become an established teachers training procedure in many university and school district. This training process is gathered towards uh, simplification of complexity of the regular teaching learning process. Class size, time, task, and content are scaled down to provide optimal training environment. This the supervisor demonstrate the skills to be practiced. This may be live demonstration or video presentation of the skill. Then the group members select a topic and prepare a lesson of 5 to 10 minutes. The teacher trainee then has the opportunity to practice and evaluate his uh, use of skills. Practice take the from a of a 10-minute micro teaching session in which 5 to 10 pupils are involved. What is micro teaching? Teaching of a small unit of content to uh, to the small group of a student, 10 to 6 to 10 members in a small group amount of time, 5 to 10 minutes, to train experienced student teacher for acquiring teaching skills, to improve the skills of experienced teacher. Definition of micro teaching. Micro teaching is a scaled down teaching encounter in a class size and class time, according Allen DW. Micro teaching is a training technique which require a student teacher to teach a single concept using a specified teaching scale to a number of pupils in a short duration time, according to Pasi BK and Lalit MS. Now we will discuss micro teaching cycle step. First, micro lesson plan maybe 2 hours per day. Step 2, teach 5 minutes. Step 3, feedback session. Feedback session is very important in micro teaching to improve in particular skill. 5 minutes. Step 4, replan 10 minutes. Step 5, reteach another group 5 minutes. Step 6, re-feedback 5 minutes. Total minute 30. This is the micro teaching cycle: plan, teach, feedback, replan, reteach, feedback. This process is continuity going on whenever the student get the confidence, get the competent in the particular skills. Characteristics of micro teaching. Content is divided in smaller unit. Only one teaching scale is considered at a time. Provision of immediate feedback. In micro teaching cycle, there is a facilitating of replanning, reteaching, and re-evaluation. It put the teacher under the microscope. All the faults of the teacher are observed. Basically, pupil teacher, the problem of the discipline can also be controlled. Duration of teaching as well as the number of students are less. So these are the characteristics of micro teaching. Comparison between micro teaching and traditional teaching. Traditional teaching class consists of 40 to 60 students. In micro teaching, class consists of small group of 6 to 10 students. In traditional teaching, the teacher practice several skills at a time. In micro teaching, teacher or pupil teacher takes up one skill at a time. In traditional teaching, class duration should be 40 to 45 minutes. In micro teaching, duration for the time teaching 5 to 7 minutes. In traditional teaching, immediate feedback is not available. In micro teaching, there are immediate feedback is given by the expert teacher. So pupil teacher replan according to the feedback and improve in his or her skill. Feedback in micro teaching, helpful information or criticism that is given to the someone to say what can be done to improve a performance product, etc. The success of micro teaching depend on the feedback. It is used in various form in case of micro teaching by the supervisor, videotape, films, TV, which are various source of feedback. Advantage of micro teaching. Uh, it focused on sharpening and developing specific teaching skills and eliminating errors. It enables understanding of behavior important and classroom teaching. It increases the condition of the learner teacher. It is a vehicle of continuous training for both beginners and for senior teacher. It provides expert supervision and constructive feedback. Disadvantage of micro teaching. It requires component competent and suitable trained teacher educator. It is a time consuming process. Application of micro teaching to new teaching practice is limited. It tends to reduce the creativity of the teacher. It can be carried out successfully in a controlled environment only. So these are the disadvantage of micro teaching. Now we will discuss teaching skills. Teaching is the art of blending knowledge, art, science, and creativity. It's a constitutes a number of verbal and non-verbal actions. The set of related behavior or teaching act aiming at a specific objective and perform with an intention to facilitate purpose learning can uh, also be called a teaching skill. Dr. Pasi, 1976, had described the following 13 skills as follow: writing instructional objective, introducing a lesson, fluency in questioning, probing question, explaining, illustrating with example, stimulus variation, silent and non-verbal cues, reinforcement, increasing pupils' participations using Blackboard, achieving closer, recognizing, attending behavior. These are the teaching skills suggested by Dr. Basit. Now we will discuss uh, Blackboard skill. Blackboard is a visual aid that is most widely used in the all sector of education and training. It is used as powerful teaching aid for a classroom instruction in each and every level of education from elementary to higher. Blackboard is the most suitable tool for providing a holistic picture of the classroom. A good blackboard, clear visual presentation help the learner in understanding the concept being taught. Blackboard can be suitable used for displaying notes and diagram during a class and for working through the calculation or similar exercises in front of a class. Thus, if the blackboard is used properly, it adds variety uh, to the lesson and drawn the attention of the pupils. Before making a lesson plan on blackboard writing, we should know the something of each component of the skill. So let's learn the meaning and how to use each component of the blackboard writing. Components of the skills of blackboard writing are 8 components of the blackboard writing skills in micro teaching. The component of the skills of blackboard writing are size and alignment, highlighting the main points, utilization of the space, blackboard summary, correctness, position of the teacher, contact with the people, and legibility. Meaning and uses of the component of the blackboard writing. To use the components of skills of blackboard writing in micro teaching as well as in your micro lesson plan, you should understand the meaning of these components. Then you will be able to use it appropriately in micro teaching. Legibility. The handwriting of the teacher on the blackboard should be illegible so that it can draw the attention of the learner and encouraging them to improve their own handwriting. Illegible handwriting irritate the learner and result in maximum mistakes. They should be clear distinction between every letter as well as adequate space should be maintained between individual letters and words. size and alignment. While writing on blackboard, the teacher should be conspicuous enough of the fact that the size of the letter written on the blackboard should be uniform and large enough uh, to be read by the student in the last row. The size of the capital letter should be larger than that of the small letter, and the writing uh, should be nearly vertical as possible without being diverged from a line. Highlight the main point. The main points or word are written on the blackboard should be highlighted by the underlying them. Colored chalk should be used suitable for the purpose of drawing the learner attention to those main points that need to be highlighted too. However, too much use of color chalk should be avoided. Utilizing the space. Utilization of the space matter a lot for efficient use of the blackboard. For the proper utilization of the space on the blackboard, important word or statement should be written on it. Overwriting the letter should be avoided as it makes the blackboard word untidy. It should be take care of the only essential material should be written on the blackboard and unnecessary words should be rubbed out. Blackboard summary. The teacher should take much care and attention to the blackboard summary at the end of the lesson. It makes teaching meaningful and interesting. The blackboard summary should be brief that the learner can recollect the whole lesson at a glance. It should be include only the silent important point of the lesson. Correctness. The teacher should be careful about correct spelling, punctuations, grammar, etc., while constructing sentence on the blackboard. While writing on blackboard, inadequate English grammar or mistake are done by the teacher to reduce the attentiveness of the learner in the class. So be careful when using blackboard. Always use correctness word, uh, correct spelling, punctuation, grammar, etc. while constructing sentence on the blackboard. Position of the teacher. Position of the teacher at the time of writing on blackboard matter a lot for efficient use of the scales of blackboard writing during a lesson. The teacher at the time of blackboard writing should stand on, on one side of the blackboard in order to make writing on the blackboard visible to the learner. His position should never be in the between the blackboard and the learner. Contact with pupils. The teacher at the time of writing on the blackboard should maintain eye contact with his learner. This is necessary for controlling interaction, maintaining discipline, unsent, un, discipline, sustaining the attention of the learner, etc. So, always, mm, uh, always teacher uh, when writing on the blackboard should maintain eye contact with his learner. The sample micro teaching plan for Blackboard School. The sample lesson plan, micro teaching plan, you should prepare according to the these components and send me in your in my comment box. You should use micro lesson plan, time duration 5 to 10 minutes, and uh, prepare use small content and uh, send me in my comment box. The sample blackboard writing micro lesson plan is to teach the use of components, although you do not need to mention each component in the micro lesson plans of the blackboard writing. You will get the idea of how to use them while writing on the blackboard in micro teaching. So these are the references of micro teaching and how to how to uh, use micro teaching. You should go through for further more detailed knowledge of micro teaching. Now, time for MCQs. Duration of lesson in micro lesson plan is option A 5 to 10 minutes, option B 10 to 20 minutes, option C 20 to 30 minutes, option D 35 to 45 minutes. You have 4 options. Choose appropriate option. To maintain interest among students in class, a teacher should option A discuss with the students, option B ask question from the student, option C use blackboard, option D tell stories to students. Choose appropriate answer. Micro teaching started in option A 1960, option B 1965, option C 1976, option D 1978. You have 4 options. Choose appropriate option. Micro teaching focus on the competency over option A method, option B scale, option C contents, option D none of the above. Choose appropriate answer. Micro teaching, micro teacher is a option A teaching training technique Option B, teacher method. Option C, motivational technique. Option D, none of the above. Choose appropriate answer and send me your answer in my comment box. Next MCQs. What is the number of student in micro teaching? Option A, 5 to 10 student. Option B, 1 to 5 student. Option C, 20 to 25 student. Option D, 25 to 30 student. Most important task of a teacher is option A, to take care of children. Option B, to evaluate the student. Option C, to organize teaching work. Option D, to deliver lecture in class. You have four options. Choose appropriate answer. Next MCQs. Uh, what is the most important while writing on blackboard? Option A, writing in a small letter. Option B, clarity in writing. Option C, good writing. Option D, writing in big letters. Choose appropriate answer. You have four options. Next MCQs. How much knowledge is gained through the sense of seeing? Option A, 75%. Option B, 13%. Option C, 6%. Option D, 3%. What is the merit of micro teaching? Option A, feedback help in the important of the of method of teaching. Option B, due to shortage of time, you divide the lesson plan into small unit and thus gain mastery over the content. Option C, it helps in self-evaluation and teacher build up confidence in them. Option D, all about the. So choose appropriate answer and send your answer in my comment box. Thank you, student. Today we will cover, just recap, uh, what is teaching, what is learning and how learning happen, micro teaching, definition of micro teaching cycle, characteristics of micro teaching, comparison between micro teaching and traditional teaching, feedback in micro teaching, what is important in feedback in micro teaching, advantage of micro teaching, disadvantage of micro teaching, teaching skills, then Blackboard. In Blackboard, we discuss component of the skills of Blackboard writing, and we discuss 8 component of the Blackboard writing in micro teaching: legibility, uh, size and alignment, highlighting the main point, utilization of the space, Blackboard summary, correctness, position of the teacher, and contact with the pupil. These are the 8 components of the Blackboard writing we discuss in our today lecture. एंड में हमने ये हमारा रेफरेंस है, यू शुड These are our reference. You should go through for further more detailed knowledge of micro teaching and blackboard writing. Thank you, student.